Hello, my friend. My name is Arif Setiawan. So we will study about Longman book in skill number 13. So let's start. Okay, please join our Telegram group. It is a public setting, so just search TOEFL ITP above 500. This time we study about sentences with reduced clause. For example, number one, my friend should be on the train which is arriving at the station now. So, which is can be reduced or can be eliminated. So, the sentence is, my friend should be on the train arriving at the station now. This is a active sentences. Number two, although it was not really difficult, the exam took a lot of time. It was can be eliminated or can be reduced. So the sentence is, although not really difficult, the exam took a lot of time. So we study about skill number 13, use reduce adjective clause correctly. Adjective clause can appear in a reduced form. In the reduced form, the adjective clause connector and the be-verb or to be that directly follow it are omitted or reduced or eliminated. For example, the woman who is waving to us is the tour guide. So, who is can be eliminated or can be reduced. So, the sentence is, the woman waving to us is the tour guide. Number two, the letter which was written last week arrived today. So, which was can be eliminated. So, the sentence is, the letter written last week arrived today. Example number three, the pitcher that is on the table is full of iced tea. That is can be reduced. So the sentence is, the pitcher on the table is full of iced tea. This is the pattern of reduced adjective clause. Adjective connector of subject with who, which, and that plus be can be eliminated all. But adjective connector of subject who, which, that with verb plus ing or verb plus ed not be eliminated. Okay, we go to the exercise for intermediate level. The brand new Cadillac blah 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 less than 2 weeks ago. Please choose the best answer. I will explain next time or next slide. For H1 level, the food blah 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 on the picnic table attracted a large number of files. Please choose the best answer. I will explain next slide. Okay. The best answer for the first sentence is purchase. This is reduced clause with which was. The complex or the full sentence is, the brand new Cadillac which was purchased, but which was can be eliminated or can be reduced. So the best answer for the first exercise is purchased. For S1 level, the food blah 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 on the picnic table attracts a larger number of files. The best answer is placed. The food is on the passive, not active. So the C is wrong answer. Okay. How about your answer, my friend? Correct or incorrect? I hope you can understand this skill. Okay, thank you. See you next time.